But thanks be to God who gives us the victory through our Lord Jesus Christ. Verse 58. Therefore, my beloved brothers and sisters, be firm, immovable, always excelling in the work of the Lord, knowing that your labor is not in vain in the Lord. What does yours say?
Therefore, my brothers and sisters, be steadfast and movable, always excelling in the work of the Lord, always doing your best and doing more than is needed, being continually aware that your labor, even to the point of exhaustion in the Lord, is not futile or wasted. It is never without purpose.
Now, you know what this means? This means that all work done for the Lord in the earth has purpose to it. There's no waste to it. It is not in vain at all. We said a couple of weeks back that when we are preparing messages for the people, fear not their faces. Know that the Lord will confirm that word. You put that word out there. Talking to you ministers now. Put that word out there. The Lord will provide increase on it.
Mhm.
So for those of you that think, you're shining,
Ministers,
we're all ministers.
preachers of the gospel,
Yeah,
yeah.
we're all.
The command to go was given to
They're
everybody.
giving everybody, the one new man is the ambassadors of God,
Mm-hmm.
praying people in the stead of Christ
Mm-hmm.
be reconciled to God.
Be reconciled to God.
And for as many days as you proclaim it, you think, well, who's listening to you, things like that. This verse says right here, it is not in vain.
Not in vain.
No. Be faithful to proclaim truth.